What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see all of our new inventory. We get it in every single day. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got this 1982 Chevy S10 up for sale today. This thing is a beast. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you buy it. We ship all over the US and worldwide. Guys, if you like classic cars, do me a favor, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see all of our new inventory. We get new cars in weekly. Let's go ahead and get started. 1982 Chevy S10 has got a powerhouse under the hood, 350 bored over 60. All the internals in the engine's been upgraded. It's got forged pistons, lifters all been done. It's got Edelbrock intake, 750 Holley carb. It's got a 9-inch rear, Flowmaster exhaust. It's over $30,000 invested in this truck. Paint is in great condition. Very, very clean. We'll start off with the driver's fender. You can see my reflection perfectly. It's like a dark black metallic, and it's got the burgundy stripe on top. Fender's in great shape, no visible flaws. Front tires, I would say, are probably around 50%, 65% max. This seal here needs to be replaced, which I do have. Doors in great shape. No scratches, no dings, no dents. No body work. I don't see any Bondo. Roof is in good shape. Door line gaps are real nice. The lines match up good. See how it shuts. Shuts good. Let's close a little bit softer. Shuts just perfect. Got a little scratch here, but look, as I'm rubbing it, it's coming right out. Now it looks like it's just dirt. I don't see any other flaws in the paint here. This tire, huge. Pro Street 31s in the back. It's got Weld racing wheels, a little deeper. Look at that stance. This thing's fast. It's running high 11s. We'll start it up and go on a test drive. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I love the paint. The paint looks great. Stripe looks good. It's got the fuel cell back here. Manual brakes, manual steering. There's not much flaws on this truck, I'll be honest with you. When you go over the good, the bad, and the ugly, there's no bad, there's no ugly really on this truck. It's just an all-around nice truck. You can see my reflection great. Paint shines well. I would say this paint's probably like 8.5, 9 out of 10. It's a real nice job they did. Yeah, a little imperfection right here in the door, which is, it's like a little dirt got in the paint. This line is real nice. Yeah, it looks really good, guys. The body lines are nice on this truck for sure. Let's see how this one closes. Well, it closes good. A lot of these older Chevy trucks, the doors, the hinges, they like to come down, and this one is just perfect. It was probably replaced. It was replaced, or it was really well maintained after all these years. Fender's in good shape. I don't see any flaws. Again, tires about 60-65%. Rear tires got plenty of life left, so nobody really got on these tires. Front bumper, a little bit of dirt here, but no pitting or anything. Little superficial scratches right there. Let's take a look underneath. Here's your fuel cell. Suspension, all that's new. The guy I bought it from, he didn't spare any expense at all. Frame's in great shape. No rot, no rust. I see a little bit of oil on the pan. One little pin drop, looks like. We'll investigate it a little bit more on the other side. Nice and clean. This was garage kept. Doesn't have any crazy smells or anything coming from it. Non-smoker. Bought it off a local guy. It's a client of mine. Nice. Really impressed with this truck. Solid looker, solid driver. You just get it and throw it in the garage, take it to shows. Door panel's in great shape. We got manual windows, manual locks. Dash is in good shape. A little flaw right there. Carpet, nice. Seats are great. Got this nice speaker set up here. Headliner, that's the way it should be. I'd probably definitely upgrade this. Put like an AirPlay car, new stereo. Horn works. Real clean under here. Definitely the way I like to see it. Fuel looks good. Non-AC, non-power steering. This thing is made to fly. It's to get nice and quick. It's got a 750 Holly on it. Currently safety inspected until October, which not a lot of times they're safety inspected. It is legal to drive on the street. The older cars, the classics, anything that's registered antique in Pennsylvania is not required for safety inspection, but the owner went ahead and did this on this car anyway. He was an elderly guy, just wanted to make sure it was safe to drive on the road, so it passed Pennsylvania's rigorous standards. All these are upgraded. Got Got about 12,000 miles on it since the build. I would say it's fast and loud. Got a nice cam to it. Depending on the neighbors you have, you may piss somebody off in this. It's not crazy obnoxious loud, but it is a beast. I will be honest. There's nothing I see that really hurts this car, like major flaws or anything. It's a nice, solid truck. It's better than solid. It's a nice truck, guys. Let's go on a test drive. Let's get Chris, and we'll see how it drives. All right, guys, before we go to the test drive, let's check out the lights, make sure everything works. Okay, lights are working. Gotta use turn signal, left turn signal. Perfect, right turn signal. That works. Leave them on, Chris. Let's check it back. Yep. Signals.
That's the brake.
Okay, put turn signals.
Left.
Yep.
Right.
Works, good. Now, real quick, like, so all of our gauges working, gas gauge is working.
Yes.
Voltage,
Temp
oil,
gauge.
temp gauge is getting up, cool.
RPM.
This is a nice cool shifter right here. I like that. It's high up. Now you drove this car yesterday when we bought it.
Correct.
How'd it drive?
I thought it drove great, except I drove it on the highway and that was okay. When you're hitting bumps, it does not do the best.
In which way?
It's a little jumpy.
Okay.
I blame that on the front tires because they're so small.
Gotcha.
And then you got the rear, which are super fat. I think it's good for either a cruiser, back roads, unless the highway is a nice highway.
So you were going, what, 70, 80 yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
And our highways aren't the best.
All right, so driving up on 80, you hit bumps. Not the best.
Like this.
Holy.
That wasn't even hitting it all the way.
See, guys, you'll get the honest reviews for us. We're not just here to sell you. Like Chris said, getting it up 70, 80 is not the best. We'll get it up. Let's get up to speed. Show them what you're talking about.
It looks like the MPH gauge only stuck at 35.
Okay. No, it's going up.
Is it?
It's going up. But it feels like we're going faster than 40. I think we're probably going 50, so that's probably off. I feel like it drives really good.
I do too.
Come on, hit it, Chris. Holy!
This thing is a elephant.
I felt that back end again
Oh,
a little
yeah.
bit. Yeah, a little bit. but you didn't get it on it all the way, did you?
I'm too scared to. This car is like scary fast. You can do some serious damage in this car. Or this truck, I should say.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, the gasket, the MPH is off a little bit. We're going way faster than 45. But I see what you're talking about with the bumps. I do feel the back end a little bit.
Yeah,
for sure. And I think that's because of the wide tires in the back.
The setup, for sure.
It's not terrible though.
No, you could daily drive this if you wanted.
Absolutely, absolutely. I would though, it's too nice.
Exactly. I'd pull it out on the weekends for sure.
All right, let's just get back to the shop safely.
Sure.
And I'm not a fan of the brakes myself. How do you feel about that?
I agree. If this had power brakes, it'd be a lot better. But I think I understand why they kept it manual.
I think especially how fast this thing goes, you would want to upgrade the brakes.
Right, that way it's a lot more responsive on the brakes.
Would you say this is like a sleeper?
It is, but it isn't. I think the drag tires give it away. Normally these came with an inline 4 or the V6. So, I mean, by the sound of it, obviously it's not either of those, but it could have been a sleeper. But I don't think they did a good job of that.
They're good here.
This is a show truck for sure.
And I think it's that kind of quality where it could be in a show.
I agree.
You can leave it on. All right, guys, up for sale now. BobEvansClassics.com. Give me a call, 215-801-9493, or give Chris a call.
267-623-7125.
You don't deal with any salespeople, you deal with me and him directly. So I appreciate you guys checking out our page. If you like it, leave us a comment. If you like this truck, would you buy something like it? Is it price good, overpriced, underpriced? All feedback is appreciated. Thank you guys, have a great day, and God bless the USA.